In today's video, we are going to talk about upload YouTube short from your PC step by step. So this is my video that I have recorded and I want to upload onto my YouTube channel as a short. Make sure you record your video in a vertical position even if you are recording onto your phone or from your GoPro, because it will help you to have a better frame onto your YouTube in terms of your short video. I'll just close this one. After you are done recording your video, edit it into any editing software. I'm using Camtasia, so what I'll do now, I'll just import my video into this particular tool, or I can just drag and drop it. This is my video, I'll just double click on it and here it is. Drop it onto your timeline and edit it as per your liking. Let's say you want to trim its timeline, you want to add some of the transition, or you want to add some annotation and many more things. After you are done editing your video, make sure to export your file. And now let's move on to YouTube and let's see how we can upload a YouTube short. Well, this is a channel where I'm going to upload my short. So what you need to do, just need to click on this button that says create. Just click on it. From here, click on upload video. Either you can drag and drop your file or you can select from the repository. And then I'll go to the directory where I have my video. This is my video, so I'll just double click on that one. It is uploading. Let it get uploaded. And here we have all the details that we are going to give to this particular video. In terms of my title, I'll give it as YouTube short tutorials. After that, give it description and you can give it anything as per your liking. And make sure to add hashtag short in your title or into your description, because it will help your video to grow and it will help your video to list in the short section. After giving it your description, scroll down and you can upload a thumbnail for your video from here. So just click on this button and go to the directory where you have your YouTube thumbnail present. Or these are some of the thumbnails that have been selected by YouTube itself. So either you can use one of these. I'll go with this one. After that, here it says playlist. Either you can set it into any particular playlist or you can create a new one. I'm okay with that one. After that, here it is about your audience. Make sure to go with the second option that says no, it's not made for kids. Again, scroll down and here it says age restriction. Do not worry about anything and just click on next. From here, you can add any card, add subtitles, you can add an end screen and many other things. I'll leave everything as it is and just click on next. Here it will check if your video have any copyrights. Leave everything as it is and just click on next. And from here, either you can keep this video as private, or if you go with public, your video is ready to upload. But for the sake of this video, I'll just click on unlisted. It means it will not get uploaded onto the YouTube and available to the audience, but it will still be onto my channel, but I'll be the only one to see that particular video. Or you can schedule this particular video as well. Scroll down and just click on save. In case if you want to share this video into different social media platforms, here you have the link that you can copy and you can share onto these platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, we have Reddit, then we have Pinterest, Blogger, Tumblr, and we have many more. After that, just click on close. Now here we have our YouTube short that have been uploaded onto our channel. Just go back to your YouTube channel and from there we'll see how this video look like. So here if you see, this is my channel and here I have my short video available. If I just click on it, it will start playing my short and here you can see my video is in the short section. And that brings us to the end of this video. So this is how you can create your short, you can edit them, and this is how you can upload them from your PC. So I hope now that you must have loved and liked watching this video. If that is the case, please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. I'll get back to you in the next video. Till then, take care.